Today we shall learn about maternal inheritance. First we should know that what is maternal inheritance. The determination of phenotype of the offspring by the genotype of the female parent is known as maternal inheritance. So normally the phenotype is determined by both the parents, that is by means of male and female. But in maternal inheritance, the phenotype of offspring is determined by the genotype of only the female parent. This is the difference between maternal inheritance and normal inheritance. Example of maternal inheritance is in the snail Limnaea shell coiling, the genotype of the female parent is not expressed in its own body, but expressed in the offspring in F1 generation. Hence, it is called delayed inheritance. Here, the phenotype is not immediately expressed in the offspring. The phenotype of the female parent is expressed only in F1 generation. Hence, it is called delayed inheritance. In reciprocal crosses, the results are different. There are two types of shell coiling in Limnaea, namely the dextral and sinistral shell coiling. In dextral shell coiling, the coiling is in clockwise direction when we are viewing from the snail in its apex. In sinistral, the shell coiling is in anti-clockwise direction. The dextral shell is dominant and the sinistral shell is recessive. The dextral dominant shell is controlled by the dominant genes D and the sinistral recessive shell is controlled by the recessive genes d. When a female dextral shell with homozygotic dominance is crossed with a male sinistral shell with homozygotic recessive, all the F1 snails are dextral, like the female parent. When a female sinistral shell with homozygotic recessive is crossed with a male dextral shell with homozygotic dominance, all the F1 snails are heterozygotic D, but they are sinistral like the female parents. But normally, if heterozygotic condition D and d appears, it should be in a dominant character, that means dextral. But here, by means of maternal influence, the F1s are sinistral like the female parents. In the above two crosses, the F1 snails have the same genotypes and different phenotypes. Here the phenotype of the offspring is determined by the genotype of the mother. In the first type of cross, the F1 offspring has dextral shell because of the mother's genotype is D, that is homozygotic dominance. In the second type of cross, the offspring is sinistral shell because of the mother's genotype is homozygotic recessive. The F2 generation is obtained by self-fertilization of a single snail, as the snail is hermaphrodite. All of you know that what is hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means the occurrence of male and female reproductive organs in the same animal. In snail Limnaea also, the male and female reproductive organs are seen in the same snail. When a dextrally coiled F1 snail with D is self-fertilized, the F2 offsprings are in the genotypic ratio 1:1. But phenotypically, all the F1 individuals are dextral. That means even though the homozygotic recessive condition d is present, the F1 individuals are dextral because the parent genotype has dominant gene D. When a sinistral F1 snail with heterozygotic condition, that is D and d is self-fertilized, all the F2 offsprings are dextral because of the parent's genotype D. The inheritance of shell coiling follows simple Mendelian character. In the F2 generation, the genotype appears in the ratio of 1:2:1, but phenotypically all are dextral. There is no phenotypic expression by the influence of the genotype homozygotic recessive d. The phenotypic ratio 3:1, that is 3 dextral and 1 sinistral of F2 generation appears only in the F3 generation. This is due to delayed inheritance. And you know very well when you are listening these two type of crosses. In the first cross, the parents are dextral and sinistral. Dextral female and sinistral male. The F1 hybrids are dextral, like that of the female parent. In the second cross, the cross is between sinistral and dextral. That is sinistral female parent and dextral male parent. The F1 is sinistral, like that of the female parent. But normal inheritance, in normal inheritance, if heterozygotic condition, that means capital D and small d is present, the F1 should be dextral, like that of the dominant parent. But here, the sinistral shell appears because of the maternal influence. Then when the F1 offsprings are inbred, they are intercrossed. As I mentioned already that snails are hermaphrodite. The F1 offsprings are inbred. In the F2, all are dextral by means of the heterozygotic dominance condition. When they are interbred, in the F2 generation, all are dextral. In both conditions, in two crosses, all the F2 generations are dextral. But in F3 generation, the 3:1 phenotypic ratio appears like that of the mother parent. Here in the first cross, 3 dextral, 1 sinistral. In the second cross also in F3 generation, 3 dextral and 1 sinistral. Normally here in the F2 generation, the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1, 1 dextral, 2 heterozygotic dextral and 1 homozygotic recessive should be appear in normal condition because of the presence of homozygotic recessive small d. But in the F2 generation, there is no phenotypic expression of recessive character. It appears only in the third generation, that means F3 generation. So this type of inheritance is also known as delayed inheritance. So this cross in Limnaea, that means by studying the example of snail coiling in Limnaea, we can know that the maternal inheritance and delayed inheritance. Thank you.